She will bypass antivirus when she comes. She will bypass antivirus when she comes. She will bypass antivirus, and that's how she'll get inside us. She will bypass antivirus when she comes. She will sneak under your radar when she comes. She will sneak under your radar when she comes. She will sneak under your radar like a secretive invader. She will sneak under your radar when she comes. She will keylog all your passwords while she's there. She will keylog all your passwords while she's there. She will keylog all your passwords and then pass on what that logged. She will keylog all your passwords while she's there. She will forward banking details while she's there. She will forward banking details while she's there. She will forward banking details to some crooks inside some emails. She will forward banking details while she's there. She will corrupt all your data when she's done. She will corrupt all your data when she's done. She will corrupt all your data so you can't retrieve it later. She will corrupt all your data when she's done. She'll attack the unprotected when she's done. She'll attack the unprotected when she's done. She'll attack the unprotected so your friends all get infected. She'll attack the unprotected when she's done. You'd be lost without a backup, do it now. You'd be lost without a backup, do it now. You'd be lost without a backup, you'd be bummed out and you'd crack up. You'd be lost without a backup, do it now.